The Republic of Korea is a powerful IT country. QRT Semiconductor creates the new future by its specialized reliability evaluation and failure analysis techniques. QRT Semiconductor is becoming the world's best reliability evaluation and failure analysis specialized company, as it is continuously improvements in techniques, leading search for changes, and consistently focusing on customers. QRT Semiconductor was established in 2001 for development of domestic semiconductor and electronics industry. Due to the optimized infrastructure and experienced professionals who has key quality evaluation and analytical skill based on 30 years of experience from the world's leading semiconductor and electronics companies such as Hynix Semiconductor, QRT Semiconductor has been able to develop, along with the success of their customers, as Korea's best internationally accredited industrial and automotive semiconductor testing laboratory. Based on the headquarter and research center in Icheon, Gyeonggi Province, 2 branches in Cheongju, Chongbuk Province, and Gumi, Gyeongbuk Province, QRT Semiconductor has been constantly striving to provide more than what their customers are expecting. All necessary reliability testing and failure analysis service, starting from the designing phase of electronic components and electronic products, including semiconductors, to the user's environment in the total 3 local businesses. QRT Semiconductor endlessly strives to become the world's best reliability testing center. The life and environment testing, which is required for reliability testing, includes almost all testing items, such as high-temperature operating life test, early life failure rate test, high-low humidity test, temperature cycling test, and the others. In addition to mechanical shock test, vibration test, torque test, and halt test, QRT is responding to the various needs of the customers, such as reproducing the physical phenomena that can occur in users' environment. The failure analysis finds the cause of defects that can occur from mass production product or development product, and it is a very important process due to the foundation of improvements when quality problem occurs. The failure analysis uses non-destructive analysis, which uses X-ray and SAT, and destructive analysis, which finds defects by separating or cutting the product or part, and precisely analyzed by using SEM, emission microscope, or optical microscope. QRT provides analysis service on various fields in addition to semiconductors, such as LED, PCB, passive components, and material by their accumulative knowledge and long experience. In addition, in order to ensure the reliability of the product from electrostatic phenomenon, which is a main cause of semiconductor defects, QRT Semiconductor is providing ESD test service according to international standards set by JEDEC or AEC. QRT evaluates the durability of product by over 1,000 voltages of electrostatic, which occur from machine and human body at instant, and the effects of electrical discharge, and provide 3 main test model of ESD, such as HBM, MM, and CDM, latch-up test, and electrical overstress test. Inside of semiconductors, where numerous microcircuits exist. If a problem arises or need a performance improvement on these microcircuits, QRT is providing circuit edit service by cutting and connecting circuits by using state-of-art focused ion beam system, which is also known as semiconductor surgery equipment. In addition, QRT can shorten the time spent on designing verification and complementation, as detailed structure analysis for cross-section can be done by cutting internal chip of semiconductor. The QRT's FIB service is actively responding to various needs of the customer, such as analyzing the surface or cross-section of steel and glass for LCD, or production of sample for TEM analysis. QRT is doing its best to meet various needs of customers through their high-tech equipment and accumulated technology. As to prove this technology, QRT obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management Certification in 2002, received Korea's first internationally recognized accredited certification on semiconductor reliability test in 2004, and acquired internationally recognized accreditation certification on AEC Q100 and 101 to keep up with the rapidly growing vehicle semiconductor industry. In addition, QRT established Research Institute in 2010 and is actively promoting in development of test analysis technique and customer-specific solution. Accordingly, QRT Semiconductor has been the only company in domestic that issued KOLAS International Test Certificates, which is commonly used in Korea and overseas for all test and analysis results. With the superior technology proven by world market, QRT is providing technical service to over 500 companies in worldwide semiconductor and electronics-related fields, such as integrated device manufacturer, Fabless Semiconductor, foundry, package and PCB, electronic components and material. In addition, QRT is contributing to the development of the electronics industry by research development and joint task with Korea Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute, Korea Electronics Technology Institute, and Korea Automotive Technology Institute. QRT is endlessly challenging in new areas, such as quality assurance for green industrial components and materials, national defense, and spacecraft electronics component and semiconductor, and is expanding into overseas markets, such as China, Japan, and the United States. A strong partner who achieves the highest value by greater customer satisfaction and impression. We are QRT Semiconductor.